thought, you know, I'm sitting here working from home, and although I'm actually on my lunch break at the moment. So yeah, this is really just a video that I'm putting together for bits that are out in the garden. And when I say bits, just a view of the garden. This morning it was bathed in sunlight. Well, the garden itself wasn't, but the trees around the back and all that. I see I'm waffling already. Oh, I've still got a cup of coffee to make. But yeah, hope you like this t-shirt. It's probably the rudest one I've got. And oh dear, I think Bubbles is at the door. I better go and let her in. Anyway, that's it. Test over. Well, it's a lovely Tuesday morning. Alarm didn't go off, so I'm working from home today. And after a bit of a rotten day yesterday, weather-wise, it's looking very, very nice out here this morning. Oh, I can hear the blackbirds. And that lovely little wren I can hear. Thrushes. It's all very nice. Clear blue skies. There's a plane up in the air, look. In the clear blue sky. Oh. Great tits scoping out that house. I've also seen a pair looking at the little house down the bottom on the left as well. A couple of them have popped in and out. So yeah, you never know. They might all get used this year. And if they do, wouldn't that be great? That being the case, of course, I should hopefully get lots of video of them going in and out and feeding young and all that kind of stuff. So, fingers crossed. I would have thought the hole on that one was a little bit large, because they do fit in the little holes in the other ones. But yeah, they've shown a lot of interest in this one for the first time, and it's been up probably longer than any of the others. Oh no, look, well, they're checking them all out, obviously, seeing which one they like the best. But have to wait and see, won't we? Oh, morning. Whoa. Well, certainly pouring with rain this morning. God, blimey. Thought it was bad Monday. Absolutely pouring since the moment I walked out the door to the moment I got here. Oh, I'm absolutely soaked. So anyway, I shall see you later. Bye for now. Pag the Drum. Soaked. Really no mates. At the station. Again. Thank you very much. Ta-ta. Well, just walking down here waiting for me train. Yes, it is me. Hiding. As I say, here comes the train. Just about to get on it. See you. Good morning, YouTube people. Just pop that down a little bit. There we go. Oh, this is the sort of first of my proper England shirts. I've obviously had my previous 1966 jobby, and the one with the England splattered down the shoulder. But this is sort of one of the first of my actual full England ones. I'll also have to stand up. There we go. That's the full Monty. And so there we are. So I got absolutely soaked this morning. Bags nearly dried off. Coats nearly dried off. Shoes nearly dried off. Me nearly dried off. No, I'm actually quite dry now. Sorry, I'm talking a little bit quiet now because I'm in the office. I don't know why I'm talking quietly. I'm the only person here at the moment, but there we go. Anyway, good morning. Bye.